they still following us?
Yes.
Does he have just one hand on the steering wheel?
Mm-hmm.
When you hear something that sounds like a gunshot, drive.
Did you get him?
Let's just hope he doesn't drive as quickly as he moves. Take a right. And then an immediate left.
Now what?
Take another left through the window. After you. Okay.
Nicely done.
Our commitment to defend Western Europe and West Berlin stands undiminished.
What I'm about to feed you, Solo, might taste a little bitter.
Where are we going with this, sir?
Убивай своего нового партнера в первый же день.
What does that mean?
He said, don't kill your partner on your first day.
I know what he said. What does it mean?
This is the most dangerous time in our history. We recently discovered an international criminal organization with an atom bomb.
We have no choice but to work together on this.
You ought to investigate Victoria Vinciguerra.
America teaming up with Russia. That doesn't sound very friendly.
Obviously, I was briefed about your criminal background. Your balls are at the end of a very long leash held by a very short man.
Special Forces, KGB, the youngest man to join, in fact, and their best within 3 years. I do wonder if it was your father's shame that gave you such drive, though. Or was it your mother's reputation? I understand that she was extremely popular amongst your father's friends. See you tomorrow.
The plot is, stop me if I get this wrong, a stealth attack on the island from the sea. The rest is up to you.
The thing is, I work better alone.
I work better alone too. What is that?
Super hardened boron sharpened with a CO2 laser.
CO2 laser.
Coming?
So you're a thief. I hope you wear a mask.
Sometimes. Just never when I'm stealing things.
What's my cover?
I'm your fiancé. Congratulations.
Told you, we're teaming up with the Russians. Doesn't get any more Russian than the Red Peril here.
Don't you make me put you over my knee.
So you don't want to dance, but you do want to wrestle.
No, I did not say that.
For a special agent, you're not having a very special day, are you?
And I'm feeling.
They will send an army to stop us.
We must give them an appropriate welcome.
Things could get a little messy. End of the world. That kind of thing.
You're trembling.
That's because I'm scared.
It's going to be okay.
It's a new day. It's a new life.
Oh, and you have a new code name. Code name? Yes, rather a good one.
Uncle.
How's that for entertainment?